Hello everyone, my name is Samgelo Nyamane. I'm so excited to share with you ukuthi Visuals Communications latholakala kuma digital platforms like Ekhathi, Google. So now vakashele lena platform yethu le Google uyakhona ukuthola more about our sign language services, check our operating hours and contact information. Browse our recent and past project, send us a message or get directions straight to our office. And the best part, you can rate and review our services by giving your star bafethu. So Nyal, I will take you through lama steps. Okay, we'll see how can you reach us through this platform like Google bafethu. So lokuqala okwenda utawuya go Chrome wakho, it's either usebenzisa i-laptop, ifoni yakho, tablet or any gadget lokutawukhona ku-accessa ngayo Chrome. So bafethu sengikhona lana. Here I'm using 3 accounts. This one is my personal account, then Langalang 2 is for Visuals for business, by the way. Yeah, so for the purpose yale demo, then I'll be using my personal account, the first one. Yeah, okay, it's coming. Okay, you now feel alana ke bafethu ku space bar sakho siku Google nyalo here, as you can see. Then there go search bar yakho, now fika khona you just type translate services. Yeah, translate. Okay bafethu seqedile kuloda, then boom, Visuals Communication by my far right, as you can see lapha, Visuals Communication. Now ufika lana yakhona ukuthola i-address yethu ukuthi case itholakala kuphi ku VOC building 10 Bergen and Martin Street, Manzini, Eswatini. Yeah, so kufika lana it's almost 23 minutes here. Then yakhona nokushayela thola more information, my directions. Yeah, these are one conduct. So yakhona phinde nekubona ema operating hours ethi case sivula nga 8:30 siyavala Monday to Saturday. Yeah, so the best part ke bafethu nayi ke lana, so uyakhona ke kusi rater uya reviewer. So I'll make an example. Let's say you wanna review. Okay, just type review. Okay, let's wait. Let's wait. Okay, now we kungiletha lana. Okay, lana da kuna natitana dilana ke bafethu. So as you can see, ngisebenzisa i-personal account yami lana. Then you can comment on the services sign language. It's okay. Like la masters lawa, you can share with okay services sign language. No go. You can share anything. It's okay. How do you feel? Now you happy? Taupu fasta si now vele uchabule cool. Utaupaza tonga letitale. Lo shows vele we are so excited about our services. Then you can also add your comment lana ge bafethu, as you can see. Share details of your own experience at this place. So ngasho it's okay now sa browser to this page uphatheke njani noma how is your experience concerning our services sign language. So I'll just make an example lana ukuthi great job, keep it up. Yeah, so this is my comment to Visuals Communication. Great job, keep it up. Then I share with Visuals Communication. So now go give a fair to thank for your post. Bang appreciate again. then I'm done. Yeah, so ke lana naku kuyavela, as you see it shows up ukuthi okay Samukelo the interpreter oviewile just now ke bafethu. Yeah, so you can get more about our sign language services bafethu, as you can see lana. Then you can also go through to our le platform yethu lena ubone all the posts we share with you bafethu. Okay, so lana i-post yethu lena lesike sayishare before, a reason to hire a sign language interpreter. Now uyakhona kubona lana. Yeah, so this is your platform bafethu. You can do anything, you can check it out. Yeah, so also you can also view our website through this platform, get direction, you can review, uyakhona kushare, uyakhona kushayela. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's, yeah, so bafethu tithombele ma project lesike sawenda langa recently. Yeah, lana ke bese stolini sa nature during the trade fair yini lena. Okay, lana bese ku trade fair. Yeah, bese ku trade fair lana. Okay, what's happening alola? Yeah, so bafethu, so you feel free bafethu to go through la recent project bone. Okay, nangabe Manzini, we are not familiar with Manzini. Okay, this is the building where we are. This is VOC bafethu. This is the building I'm talking about bafethu. This is the building. Now we are not familiar with Manzini. This is the building where we are located. But when you are coming to our office, uqhamuka this direction ngaseposini, there's a big gate somewhere here tawungena lapho. Maybe when you reach by the gate you can give us a call, then sikumeet halfway. Even ngalana emsakatweni nakhona kuyangeneka, then just go straight by the park carport lena. When you ngale ngemuva ngale, yeah, still ngihambeka. So bafethu sitholakala lana ngithini, this is the building, VOC building. Nangabe uqhamuka ngale ngakubo, okay, most people baqhamuka ngala seposini, bayisebenzisi leya kubo centuries. Yeah, nala nakahambeka bafethu nawuqhamuka ngale, you go up straight till you feel like etende elikhulu. Yeah, so bafethu, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, yeah, to get more content bafethu. And also we are gonna go view our map here bafethu. It's okay, ikunike exactly direction nangabe awuma, if you are not familiar with Manzini. Yeah, so now where we are located kule map ke bafethu, yeah, khona kubona. It's okay, we are located here, Visuals Communication, as you can see. This is 10 Beacon Street. Yeah, now uqhamuka ngala ngenhle eposini. Okay, this direction now uqhamuka ngenhle eposini lena leya ngala ngendazi, as you can see bafethu. So bafethu, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned till we meet next time. Chap chap.